The ultimate power-up is here. Collision. Tired of the same old energy drinks that leave you crashing? Ready to unleash the untapped potential that's been waiting inside? Forget sugar rushes and fake boosts. We've blended nature's most intense ingredients into one dynamite elixir that's scientifically designed to supercharge your system and redefine your limits. The elixir of absolute force. Introducing the Apex Blend, a rugged, all-natural tonic that hits different. This isn't just a drink, it's a declaration of dominance. This is the original superfood. This is your daily dose of unfiltered vitality. It's time to stop crawling and start conquering. Carrots are your secret weapon. They don't just sharpen your vision, they build your endurance, they load you with essential vitamin A, and they give you the kind of sustained power that lasts from the first bell to the final round. Forget the crash. Forget the burnout. To unlock this raw, primal power, here's the drill: grab your carrot. You're gonna peel that skin right off and then finally dice it up. That's how you release the gold. Forget fancy pills and synthetic boosts. If you want the real secret to raw, unadulterated power, look no further than the humble garlic clove. This isn't just a spice, it's a natural engine starter. To activate its full, potent benefit, you need to prepare it right. Peel that paper-thin skin off, liberating the firm, white muscle underneath. Then, finally dice it up. That crushing action releases the powerful compound, allicin, the molecule that makes everything happen. What does it do for you? It's the ultimate system cleanse, promoting robust blood flow to every corner of your body, which translates directly to greater stamina, better endurance, and a sharp, focused drive. Eating garlic daily is the simplest, most fundamental thing you can do to turn your body into a high-performance machine. Stop playing small, start living strong. Tired of feeling less? Stop waiting for permission. Manpower isn't a myth, it's a choice. It's the unbreakable focus that lets you crush your goals. It's the raw stamina that pushes you past your limit. It's the confidence that demands respect. You have this force inside you, it just needs a spark. Activate your inner power, dominate your day. Blend it well for a good, solid minute. You want to unleash those nutrients and bind them into one seamless, unstoppable force. Get it smooth. Get it activated. Because once this blend is perfect, your manpower level, it just went limitless. The hard work is done. Now, take that vibrant, freshly blended elixir and pour it into your glass. You've earned this moment. For that final, perfect balance, for that sustained energy without the spike and crash, take 2 full spoons of honey and swirl it in. Mix it up until it's perfectly dissolved. The natural sweetness rounds out the intensity of the garlic and coffee, transforming it from a powerful mixture into a smooth, ready-to-drink performance tonic. Bottoms up. Go conquer.